Before fixing the solar siren in place, it is important to first link it to a control device. Working on a suitable work surface, with the cover removed, you'll see a row of dip switches labelled SW3 and a Learn button. The dip switches adjust different functions of the siren. Switch 1 is the duration the alarm will sound before automatically shutting down. On, up is 3 minutes. Down, off is 1 minute. Switch 2, marked AJ, turns on or off the jamming detection facility. This should be set to off, down, for the first 30 days after installation. Switch 3 can switch the siren sound on or off. So in off mode, an alarm state will not make a sound. Switch 4 can be used to disable the acknowledgement beeps made when linking devices to the siren. Switch 5 should be in the up, on position, which makes the siren also act as a control unit. We're now going to power up the siren. Just in case of accidental triggering of the sound, it is advisable to wear ear defenders for this task. Connect the rechargeable battery to the battery leads. Red to red, black to black. Connect the 9-volt power-up battery to the battery clip. Press and release the tamper switch, and both LEDs will start to flash together several times. The LEDs will then continue to flash alternately every 5 seconds to indicate that the siren is working. When the siren first powers up, it will remain in service mode until a control device is linked to it. In this case, we will add the keypad. To do this, place the siren in Learn mode by pressing and holding the Learn button for 5 seconds. When the siren is in Learn mode, a single low-volume beep will sound, and both Learn and indicator LEDs will start to flash slowly. You now have 30 seconds to enter the default access code on the keypad, followed by disarm. If the siren detects it as a new keypad, it will produce 2 short beeps, and the indicator Learn LEDs will start flashing together. Confirm that it is the keypad you wish to add by pressing the access code again, this time followed by the Part Arm 1 button within 15 seconds. The siren will produce 3 short beeps, and the LEDs will stop flashing and remain on for 3 seconds before going out. If a confirmation signal is not received by the siren, it will exit Learn mode after 15 seconds. The siren battery cover can now be replaced. The siren can now be mounted on a suitable external wall. It should be placed as high as possible in a prominent position, so that it can be seen and heard. As it is solar-powered, it is also essential to place it in an area where it will not be continually in dark shadow, especially in winter when the sun is lower in the sky, casting longer shadows. Normally, cloudy days still provide more than enough light to keep the unit charged. The ideal mounting point should also avoid any obstructions that could reduce the radio signal strength, and also recesses in the brickwork, which may prevent the tamper switch from closing on final fixing. To mount the siren, hold the clear plastic mounting plate supplied in position. Check its level, then mark the 4 mounting holes. Undo the fixing screw securing the mounting plate from the bottom edge of the siren and remove the plate. Drill 4 6mm holes and fit the wall plugs. Into the top holes, fit 2 30mm fixing screws, leaving approximately 9mm protruding. The keyhole slots of the siren fit over these screws. The fit should be neat, with minimal movement, so adjust the screws if required. Remove the siren and fit the wall mounting plate in position using the 2 25mm fixing screws. Fit the siren to the wall, ensuring that the keyhole slots are correctly fitted over the heads of the top fixing screws and that the lower fixing holes line up with the wall plate. When the siren cover is fitted to the back plate, you should be able to hear the tamper switch close. If it does not close, the siren will not operate correctly. The siren can now be secured by fixing the lower fixing screw in the wall plate and gently tightening. The siren should now be given 24 hours to fully charge up before testing or operating the alarm. But it is still okay to link other devices to it.